delicious white bean and saltfish stew. You want to see how? Just keep on watching, guys. Let's get straight to the kitchen. Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to make some saltfish and bean stew. First step is to prep our saltfish to get rid of the salt. And here is a run through of my ingredients. I have saltfish fillet, I have onion, bell pepper, tomato, and our beans, of course. And we're going to allow our saltfish to boil to get rid of the salt. In the meanwhile, we're going to prep our veggies and set that aside. So catch you in a bit, guys. Do enjoy the music as I prep to complete this meal. Just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, now that we have prepped all our veggies, now it's time to drain our beans. I'm using 2 cans and I'm just going to rinse off that excess salt that it was processed in, and then we'll come back. And here is my bean freshly rinsed, and that's my saltfish already breaking smaller pieces. So now we're going over to the stove. And for the other ingredient, we're going to need some black pepper, a bit of complete season, some ketchup, and some oil, of course. So in my frying pan, I'm going to add enough oil to saute my onion mix. And we're going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes and low flame. We doesn't need it to burn. Then we'll come back when there's another step to be explained.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that.
Okay,
slow, spitting
now
fast,
that you see that we
I
add
can
our saltfish, our beans to the pot, Now I'm going to add a bit of black pepper, a bit of water, some of my complete season, a bit of ketchup, and we're just going to stir that well and allow it to simmer, then we can serve. So catch you at the end of the video, guys. Do continue watching, and please drop me a comment at the end of the video and like the video as well. And if it's the first time coming on board, welcome. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for all the support. So let's continue with this video, guys. Catch you in a bit. Here is the finished product, guys. My saltfish with beans. This is a must try. So please tell me in the comment section if you will try this one. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on if you haven't, and also like the video and share also. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.